Hi guys, so today will be our first vlog in our new house. I thought I would just kind of give you guys a little update of what's been going on, things that we've done to the house so far, just what the past week has been like. So right now, I currently have my carpenter here.
Oh, hey.
Joshua is putting together some bar stools we just got in from Target. I think I shared in the house tour, Joshua and I do eventually have some plans to change out the kitchen. Well, first of all, we painted everything. The whole house is painted except for a couple bedrooms like downstairs, but pretty much everything got painted in the house and we love it. So this is Sherwin-Williams Pure White. We were between that and Alabaster. We really like it. There's no like weird undertones or anything. We left the trim the color that it already was, which I think was like a very bright white. I don't know where it was from or anything, but there is a slight contrast between the trim and the walls, which I really like. So anyway, we're really happy with it. The dogs are settling in nicely to their new yard. But yeah, what I was gonna say is Joshua and I do eventually have plans to change out the kitchen. Like he was saying in our last video, we might eventually want to put like an island in here because it is going to be an expensive project. For now, we took off like those black stickers that were behind the cabinets and I feel like it already made a really big difference in here. And then what we would like to do is maybe cover up like this, I don't know what this is called.
Sheet metal?
Sheet metal. Cover it up with something. Actually, there's screws, so it'd be interesting just to see what's behind there.
You could probably take it off and then shiplap it or something.
I like it. So we just thought for now we'll get some bar stools that work because this side of it is higher. And these were our other ones from our previous home. And they are way too short. These are from Target too, but I don't think they have them online anymore. We had one that we never used either. So I think I'm just gonna, I don't know, maybe sell them on Marketplace or something. Or if somebody's really interested and you're in Michigan, just message me on Instagram or something. But I love these chairs from Target. Honestly, they were a little bit more expensive for Target chairs, I would say, but I don't know. I'm just really obsessed with them. So we got 4. Show them the difference between sitting in that chair and sitting in that chair.
Okay. So, we call this the shovel method. So you sit here and you just shovel the food in.
Because your mouth is literally...
right here. But this one...
Oh yes. Very nice. Yeah, that looks really nice. We also, the other night, were at Walmart, bought a 9-foot flocked tree. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, last year I got this tree in a 6.5 foot, and I loved it. So I'm still gonna have that one. I think I'm gonna put it up there in my office area once I actually get it cleaned, because that area is literally destroyed right now. There's still boxes and everything. It's just kind of a mess. So I'll put the smaller tree up there, and then the big tree is gonna go right there. Other plans we have, we would like to get a frame TV eventually. So it's not just like a big black square right here, or like the first thing you see when you walk in. So we kind of want to get a frame TV. Maybe eventually like put some sort of dimension on the wall, like some sort of, I don't know, like accent wall. We don't know exactly what we would want to do on this wall yet. Maybe shiplap, maybe, I don't know, just some sort of like design. I don't know. But let me show you guys my new stockings too. Okay, I just got these from Target. I just ordered this one. How gorgeous is this stocking? I had my eye on a knit stocking like this, I think from West Elm last year, Crate and Barrel or something. It was really expensive, so I didn't end up getting it. And I think it was like humongous. Like, I was a little worried it was gonna catch on fire by the fireplace, so I didn't end up getting it. But this one is so cute. It's the Studio McGee line, and it's just so pretty. This is also the Studio McGee line, so I got 2 of these. I got fluffy white ones last year, so I'm gonna have 1 fluffy one, these 2 brown ones, and then the knit one, and I just think it's gonna be really pretty. Okay, they were $15. The knit one was $15 as well. So just a crazy good deal on those. One other thing I just got from Target because we were just there last night, but this was a mistake. Guys, you know I love a good planner. I use my planner every single day. I've been a planner girl for years, and especially the sugar paper line. So I just saw this one at my Target and I grabbed it. I thought it was so pretty. I actually really wanted a white one and it just seemed like it had a good layout. Well, then I brought it home and I opened it and I realized it was July. Like that's where it started. So I'm like, okay, I'm returning this because I'm basically buying just like half a planner, you know? So this was like a 2021 to 2022. So I found a different one online. It's the same brand except it has like black polka dots. I think it just says 22 on it, and it's set up exactly the same inside. So that's what I just ordered from Target. So I have a new one coming. I'm gonna return this one. Another thing I have to show you guys is the dog room down here. Now this room down here we did not paint. We painted this bathroom, which as you guys can see, whoa, still have boxes and lots of things to unpack. Everything was in our garage basically the past week. We literally just brought in the majority of our boxes yesterday because our painter was still finishing up the first day when we were bringing all of our stuff in, so it all went to the garage. And then we just had like a few things with the house that we had to get straightened out, and then now we can finally like really start unpacking. But this is the dog room. We did not paint this room, we just left it like this. But they have all their toys in here. My nieces have been in here. They literally love this room, and they gave me some decorations. My niece colored this picture and framed it, and they made this little garland for the dogs. It was so cute. So they love it. A lot of their toys are back there and they bring them out. We put a rug in here. This is like an old IKEA couch, which we cannot find the legs to. We can't find a few like random things, like our measuring cups, if you guys saw us talking about that on Instagram. Could not find our measuring cups. Cannot find the legs to this sofa. A few random things, but it is coming together. So yeah, it's kind of fun. They love this little room. Sometimes we'll just randomly find them like taking a nap down here. A lot of people were asking in my last video in the comment section if I would share like the dog's reaction the first time to the house or the yard or anything. So the first day we were here, the painter was finishing up and it was already dark by the time I could have like started filming or anything like that, the dogs in the yard. But the next day I did share a few clips like on Instagram of the dogs running around, Joshua mowing. If you guys saw that on Instagram, it's very funny because we only have a push mower right now. But I will show you guys the dogs in the yard today. They just love it. Dude really needs to get on like a joint supplement, I think, because he was really sore for a couple days after our first day here. I do have a clip on my phone of the dog seeing the house for the first time, so I'll insert that. Okay, the boys' first time in the house. Boys! Oh my
right up to the
goodness.
bedroom. I'm gonna shut this door because this paint's still wet.
Okay. Boys, where are you?
What are you guys doing?
What?
What?
Bandit.
It's your bed!
Bandit, come here. Dude, do you remember those sofas?
Sniff around, boys.
What do you think?
Oh, found something.
Uh-oh.
What'd you find? Okay, move along. There's a whole downstairs too. There's a downstairs too.
Bandit, come on. Come on, buddy. Bandit, this way. Dude, this is your bedroom. Oh my gosh, he's in there.
Toys! It's all your toys! Look! Look at all your toys! Look at all of them! Those are all your toys!
Good boys. Oh, you want to go in that way? Bandit. Okay. Good boy.
Good boy!
Good boy. our next update, which if you saw on Instagram, you would have seen our garage was completely stacked with boxes since our moving day was like, well, the painters weren't done yet, so.
Garage sales section.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff we are going to be getting rid of. Some of this stuff is going on to the pole barn, but.
Come on, dude.
It's pretty much all brought in now. And then this is the washer and dryer that came with the house, which looks very nice and it does work, but we ended up just buying a new one, which I'll show you guys. Come on, bud. So the laundry room is very dirty, don't mind that, but, oh, let me move these over. But this is our new washer and dryer. Let me move the vacuum too, so you can really, we weren't prepared for this. This is our new washer and dryer. How beautiful is this? With the rose gold, the white, it's like...
It's ivory.
It makes a...
To be precise.
Yeah, that is what it's called. It makes a beautiful sound at the end of the cycle. It actually connects to our phones and stuff, so I won't gross you guys out too much, but the other washer, we did like one load of laundry in and we both almost threw up. So that's all I'll say about that. So we ended up just getting a new washer and dryer. I feel like it's one of those things where it's like, it's your clothes, you want to feel cleanly, and we just wanted these. And actually at our last house we had a top loader. I never had a problem with it. I always loved that. And I already wasn't super crazy about the front loader thing, so I don't know. I'm just excited about these and they're just beautiful. So while Joshua is continuing to put together the chairs, I'll show you guys the dogs in their new yard. Also, we're gonna get a new front door. We haven't officially decided what door yet, but I kind of have an idea. And we're also thinking with this room setup that a sectional might be very nice right here. So those are just a few things we've been thinking about. Judy, do you want to go outside? We gotta show everybody how much you love your yard. I want to put up these little trees today. I do like the same setup pretty much every year. I put the trees in these huge planters. I used these two things last year too. Still gotta get a wreath up, but yeah, I think that's just what I'm gonna do. Also, I put up those little things. It's kind of dark, so you can't really see it. But yeah, the boys, they love their yard. I know Dude is like very, he is much more tired than Bandit. I think he was definitely sore. Still probably recovering a little bit, but yeah, they were just running around earlier this morning. I think we got to put away all this patio furniture too. This actually came with the house, all the patio furniture, so that was nice. Oh, another funny thing. Take you guys over here to the Goldfish Pond. So, Dude has actually already jumped in this twice. So this does not look pretty at all. We have like a makeshift fence around here. That little fence broke, so now it's just kind of sitting there. It's really just a mess. But yeah, Dude is literally obsessed with the fish. They're not really up there right now. But yeah, he has jumped in there twice. And then if you guys saw my Instagram stories, it was pretty funny. Joshua was push mowing the lawn because that's all we have right now. And it pretty much took him like, I don't know, maybe 6 hours. It took forever. And now we just have like a ton of leaves that we have to rake. Gonna have to get like a 0-turn lawnmower or something, but we'll probably wait till the spring on that. Alright, I was gonna show you guys the dogs running around, but doesn't seem like they really want to run around too much right now. But if you are not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me over there because I've been giving a few little updates over there. Chairs are looking good. While Joshua is putting together the last one, I am going to open this tree and maybe start kind of getting it put together. I think it's a lot thinner than the one we had at our old house. And I explained this on Instagram. The reason why we sold our tree in our garage sale, like our humongous one, is we were pretty much over it. Didn't the tree just kind of make you mad every year?
Because I didn't want to keep unpacking it and packing it.
Yeah, it was just like
Too
really
big.
obnoxious to store it anywhere. It was very heavy. Half the lights were out. I think it went to a good home though. Somebody was really excited about it. So I'm gonna start unpacking this one. Much thinner than our other tree.
I love it. It literally fits that space perfectly.
Yes, I like it. So the thing with flocked trees, yes, they're messy, but you literally just vacuum it up and then it doesn't move again unless you're touching it all the time. It's cute.
Yeah.
Our tree skirt does not fit with this tree, so that will just go on my 6.5 foot tree. Now I just gotta get the decorations on and everything, but really looks pretty just even like that. What do you think, boys? Oh, and here are all the chairs all put together. I think they look really nice. I love them so much. So I'm really, really excited about the chairs. Just gotta do something about that metal and then I think we'll be good to go for a little while. But what's crazy too is I literally just ordered them and they came within like 2 days. I looked online yesterday and they're all sold out. But I think they've had these for a while, so I think they go in and out of stock. But I think I actually got these at the perfect time. I'll still link them below. I'll also link the tree for you guys too, because this was a great price for a 9-foot tree. I'll link my 6.5 foot one too if they still have it in stock, or if they even still have this one in stock. These flock trees from Walmart, they go super fast because they're affordable and they look pretty good.